Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Shadex Sugar, and I'm back again with another video. Yeah, so today, if you watched my previous video, you should know what is going on here. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the bleaching process of my wig. If you check my previous post, I'm going to be putting the link in this video, and it should be up here. I'm going to put it somewhere here. But yeah, so if you haven't watched it, there's not even need to introduce my last video. But yeah, what I'm going to be doing in this video, I'm just going to be bleaching the wig I got from EC Hair. The link is going to be here. It's going to be in my description, not here, but it's going to be in my description. So like, I'm just going to be bleaching and dyeing it because I have a lot of black wigs. So what am I doing with black wig? So I decided to bleach the wig, and I'm just going to be showing the bleaching process. Okay, let's get right into the video. So this is the wig I'm going to be bleaching. It's the wig I got from EC Hair, the body wave wig. I'm just going to be bleaching the whole thing because I really do not want this color, so I'm just going to be bleaching the whole thing. Okay, so in this process you're just going to be needing this. I don't know if you can see better, but you're going to be needing this. It's something you can get in any salon, or you can get in a beauty store. Yeah, I would recommend you get the I think there's one in I don't know, in a container. So I recommend you get that one because this one I couldn't find that one, so I just decided to get two of these. I mean, this one is still okay, so you can still use this one. So I'm going to be using these two with a cream developer. I think some people also use the water developer, clear developer. This is a cream developer I'm going to be using. I'm just going to be if I can see it on Amazon, I'm just going to put the link because I got it in the store here. So this is me pouring the whole thing inside here.
Okay, so I pretty much left it for an hour. I mean, you could leave it for 30 minutes, but I just left it for an hour. Like, I just wanted the whole thing to process, bleach and all. So it was like pretty much giving me a golden brown or chocolate brown color. And I also love the fact that the knot or the lace bleached as well. Like, that's really good. That was my aim anyways. So like, I will pretty much just rinse it with a shampoo so that it does not continue bleaching after rinsing it.
Okay, so I just came back with rinsing. I just make sure I rinse the whole thing so that I don't keep on bleaching just because I didn't rinse it well. So right now it just came out with this is the color because I tried to dry the front so you guys can see the kind of color it's gonna come out with when it dry, because right now it's wet. It just gives a brown color. So like, after it's dry it's going to be darker, but I don't think I want to wait till it's dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and dye it to the regular color I want. To the color I want to use. And today I'm going to be using this. I got it at the store. I don't even know how to put it. Some people will see it, but I'm going to be I'm going to take a picture of it and put it on the side of my video so you guys can see whatever it is. Actually, I have two of it. I already used part of this before, so I'm not gonna be using the rest of this. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna be using the rest, and then yeah.
Okay, so I pretty much used two techniques in this video. This one, I pretty much just use my hands to rub the bleach in, which I was pretty scared that it's not going to get the whole hair, the colors are going to get the whole hair. You can only use this technique maybe when you decide to re-dye the hair, and maybe you've dyed it before, just want to color it again to make it darker. That's when you can use this technique. Now the second technique, I just pretty much added water, just like half of this regular size bottle water can, a bottle water thingy. I just took half of it. I didn't measure it, but I took half of it and then added the whole color into it. That's it. That's what I did. And then I just mixed it about 5 minutes because I needed that color to get into the hair, because I don't want one part to be black, the other part blue, like, you get what I mean. So yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so I had to change the gloves because it's really messing up everywhere. Anyways, so this is the color I'm coming out. It looks like wine, but it's not really a wine color because after rinsing it, it's going to bring out the real color. So what I'm going to do here, yeah, it's just bringing like a wine color. So I'm just going to rinse it out and use a conditioner, and then after doing that, I'm just going to style, like curl it, because it's a body wave wig. So I'm just gonna curl it back, or I might not. It just depends on how it later comes out after rinsing it, because I don't know if it's going to lose the color. So like literally, so I'm just gonna do that, and yep, I'm gonna see you guys after it's dry, because I'm gonna rinse it, dry it, and style it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it is. Okay, so this is how the wig came out. I just bleached it. I'm going to be putting the link of how I styled the wig and how I curled it and how it came out, how I put it on and how I fixed it, or how I put it in, everything. You understand what I mean? But I'm going to be putting the link below because I already posted the link of where the egg is, the egg.
Hold on, check me, bro.
I already put the link of where the wig is from in my other video. In the other video, I was unboxing this wig and I was putting it on. So if you want to see that too, you want to see the process of how I put the wig on too, you can link. I'm going to put in the link down in this video. And you can see the color of the wig. It came out so nice. I love it. It's buzzing. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below next video you want to see, and I'll bring it to you. See you in my next one.